Hey, now this is Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we get this video started, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. Let me begin by saying this. It's not only about the money. Although the money is a very important part in your mobile detailing business, if you make it all about the money, then that's what it will be, about the money. In the beginning of my mobile detailing career, I didn't know that I could make or charge $300 for a detail service. I came into this business charging a low price of $20. A year or so later, business picked up and I actually became a factor in my household. My prices were still too low, but no one could tell me that I wasn't doing great. It's like the overweight person that lost 200 pounds and is now 300 pounds. We can still say that person is overweight, but to that person, they feel great and they feel accomplished. And as they should, losing 200 pounds is a big accomplishment. This is why I never put myself above any detailer that charges less than me, and I never feel lower than the detailer that charges more than me. Money is a very important part of the business, and building your brand is just as important. So don't focus only on the money. If you ask a detailer how much should you charge, they will usually ask you some questions like, where are you located? What packages will you be offering? Or what's your skill level? I rarely hear the question of how much do you want to make? That's the question we should ask ourselves. Your answer to that question will assist you in figuring out how much you should charge. That sets you apart from the other details because your prices are based on your skills, needs, and wants to start. Some will say, people can't afford your prices. Well, find people that can. Some people will say it's just a car wash. Well, make the experience better than a car wash. Some details are inexpensive and some are expensive. Which one will you be? If you're not sure, find a detail that resembles where you want to be and use them as a template. Remember, be creative. Set yourself apart. Be the one that takes interest in your customers. Get to know them a little. I'm not saying become close friends, but become likable to them. It will take you a long way. Getting to know your customers will allow you to know what they need and want. With this information, you can properly serve them. Again, remember, there are other aspects that are just as important as money, like keeping up with the latest changes in the industry, learning how to save money, and actually doing great work. If we only focus on the money, your customer will notice it and they will follow your lead. As soon as they find another detailer that is more genuine, cheaper, or both, you just lost a customer. Just think about it. Have you ever ran across a potential customer that was price driven? And the only reason they picked a detail is because of your prices, not because how good you are. And they really don't care how good you are or what your expenses are. They just want it done for a low price. It kind of puts a bad taste in your mouth. And that's how your customer feels if it's all about the money. Me personally, I love helping people, especially people who can't clean their vehicles themselves, the ones who don't have time to do it, or even the ones that don't want to do it. Being able to offer this level of convenience is priceless to me. Till next time, shouts out to the new wave. Peace.